Brisbane, the capital of Queensland, is known for its warm climate, vibrant cultural scene, and beautiful natural surroundings. Many people visit Brisbane for its close proximity to the Great Barrier Reef, its world-class restaurants and cafes, and its lively arts and entertainment scene. The city is also home to a number of beautiful parks and gardens, as well as the lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, where visitors can see and interact with native Australian wildlife. Overall, Brisbane is a popular destination for travelers looking to experience the best of what Queensland has to offer. Hello there! If you are new here, welcome to our channel. We mainly focus on traveling around the greatest beach and ocean destinations around the world. If you have not subscribed yet, please show your support by clicking the subscribe button. Brisbane, the capital of Queensland, is located in the southeastern part of the state, on the east coast of Australia. The city is situated on the Brisbane River, which flows through the city centre and into Moreton Bay. The city is within easy reach of the Great Barrier Reef, one of the world's most incredible natural wonders. Famed for its numerous wildlife, koalas, lamingtons, and sports. Brisbane is also home to the late Steve Irwin's renowned Australian Zoo. Brisbane is a vibrant and dynamic city that offers a rich and diverse cultural experience for its visitors. Top destinations. Koala Sanctuary. The Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary in Brisbane is a popular attraction that offers visitors the chance to see and interact with native Australian wildlife. The sanctuary is home to over 130 koalas, as well as other animals such as kangaroos, wallabies, emus, and echidnas. Visitors to the sanctuary can enjoy a range of activities and experiences, including hand-feeding the kangaroos and wallabies, cuddling a koala, and taking a guided tour of the sanctuary. The sanctuary also offers daily presentations and shows where visitors can learn more about the animals and their habitats. In addition to the animals, the sanctuary also has a number of other attractions, including a souvenir shop, a cafe, and picnic areas. The sanctuary is a great place for families and animal lovers to learn about and experience native Australian wildlife. South Bank Parklands. The South Bank Parklands are a popular destination in Brisbane, offering a range of attractions and activities for visitors to enjoy. The parklands are located on the south bank of the Brisbane River, opposite the city centre. The parklands feature a number of beautiful gardens and green spaces, including the Rainforest Walk, where visitors can experience the sights and sounds of the rainforest. The parklands also have a number of playgrounds and picnic areas, making them a great place for families to relax and enjoy the outdoors. In addition to the gardens, the parklands also have a number of other attractions, including the Streets Beach, a man-made beach in the heart of the city. The parklands are also home to a number of restaurants, cafes, and bars, as well as the Queensland Cultural Centre, which houses a number of galleries, theatres, and music venues. Overall, the South Bank Parklands are a must-visit destination in Brisbane. Ride the Wheel of Brisbane. The Wheel of Brisbane is a large Ferris wheel that stands at a height of 60 meters and offers panoramic views of the city and surrounding areas. The wheel has 42 air-conditioned gondolas, each capable of carrying up to 6 people. It is a popular attraction for both locals and tourists alike. Visitors can enjoy the views during the day or at night when the wheel is illuminated with colorful lights. The Wheel of Brisbane is a popular tourist attraction that offers stunning views of the city. It is located in the heart of Brisbane and provides visitors with an opportunity to see the city from a unique perspective. The Wheel of Brisbane is a fun and exciting experience that is suitable for people of all ages. It is also a great way to learn more about the city and its history, as well as to get a bird's-eye view of some of Brisbane's most famous landmarks. Go to the beach. Brisbane has a number of beautiful beaches that are popular with tourists and locals alike. The most well-known beach in the area is probably Surfers Paradise, which is located on the Gold Coast just south of Brisbane. This beach is known for its golden sand and clear blue water, as well as its vibrant atmosphere and lively surf culture. Other popular beaches in the Brisbane area include Noosa Beach, which is known for its laid-back vibe and beautiful surroundings, and Stradbroke Island, which is a more secluded and peaceful option. Overall, the beaches of Brisbane offer a diverse range of experiences and are sure to have something for everyone. Wander the Brisbane Botanic Gardens. These gardens are home to a wide variety of plants and flowers, as well as a number of sculptures and other works of art. The gardens cover an area of over 52 hectares and are divided into several different sections, each of which has its own unique features and attractions. Some of the most popular sections of the Brisbane Botanic Gardens include the Japanese Garden, the Bamboo Grove, and the Tropical Display Dome. These gardens are a popular destination for both locals and tourists and offer a peaceful and relaxing escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Brisbane Churches and Brisbane Cathedrals. Brisbane is home to a number of beautiful churches and cathedrals that are popular with tourists. Some of the most well-known and notable examples include the St. John's Anglican Cathedral, which is the oldest surviving cathedral in Australia and is known for its Gothic architecture and rich history. Another popular church in Brisbane is the St. Stephen's Cathedral, which is located in the heart of the city and is known for its beautiful stained glass windows and towering spires. Visiting the churches and cathedrals of Brisbane is a great way to learn more about the city's religious history and to admire its beautiful architecture. Hike Mount Coot-tha. Mount Coot-tha is home to a number of walking and hiking trails, which offer a range of experiences for visitors. Some of the trails are relatively easy and suitable for people of all fitness levels, while others are more challenging and offer more of a workout. The trails on Mount Coot-tha vary in length, and some of the most popular options include the Summit Track, which offers stunning views of the city from the top of the mountain, and the JC Slaughter Falls Track, which leads to a picturesque waterfall. Additionally, the mountain is home to a number of more challenging trails, such as the Boombana Track and the Gap Creek Track, which are popular with experienced hikers. The summit of Mount Coot-tha is also home to a number of restaurants and cafes, as well as an observation deck that offers panoramic views of the city. Brisbane Cultural Centre. The Brisbane Cultural Centre is located in the heart of the city and is home to a number of cultural institutions and attractions, including galleries, museums, and theaters. The Cultural Centre is a great place to learn more about the history and culture of Brisbane and Australia and offers a range of educational and entertaining experiences. Some of the most popular attractions at the Cultural Centre include the Queensland Art Gallery, which is home to a collection of Australian and international art, and the Queensland Museum, which is dedicated to the natural and cultural history of the region. Additionally, the Cultural Centre is home to a number of theaters, including the Queensland Performing Arts Centre, which hosts a range of live performances and events. Riverlife Brisbane. Riverlife is your one-stop shop for all things fun, functions, excitement, and adventure. Riverlife has over 15 years of experience delivering an amazing range of outdoor experiences to Brisbane locals and tourists alike, and is famous for its exclusive and stunning waterfront venues, delivering an array of memorable functions and events. Riverlife's fully guided tours are a fun, interactive way to explore Brisbane and gain a unique perspective of the city. Kayak along the Brisbane River, abseil down the Kangaroo Point cliffs, or climb to the top. There is also a great range of equipment available for hire, including road bikes, rollerblades, kayaks, and Herb-E's or electric scooters. With hourly and daily options available, the equipment hires let you create your ideal adventure. The ruins of the prison St. Helena. Prison ruins are the remains of a former prison located on the island of St. Helena in the South Atlantic Ocean. The prison was built in the early 19th century to house convicts who were transported from the British Empire. The prison was in use until the late 19th century, when the British government decided to close it. Today, the ruins of the prison are a popular tourist attraction on the island. The remains of the prison include the old cell blocks, guard towers, and other structures. Visitors can explore the ruins and learn about the history of the prison and the island. Moreton Bay Marine Park. On Brisbane's doorstep, the wide expanse of Moreton Bay, offshore reefs, its numerous islands, internationally significant wetlands, seagrass meadows, and sandy beaches make this park a haven for wildlife and people. Moreton Bay Marine Park protects a range of marine and coastal environments, including rocky shores, internationally significant wetlands, coral reefs, mangroves, seagrass meadows, and sandy beaches. These habitats provide important seasonal resources for migratory wading birds, humpback whales, and marine turtles. Permanent resident species include dolphins, dugong, shorebirds, grainer sharks, and various fish species. The marine park offers excellent boating and fishing in the sheltered waters of Pumicestone Passage and Moreton Bay, and the ocean beaches of Moreton Island and North Stradbroke Island. Several commercial operators run tours for various activities such as whale watching, diving, fishing, and sightseeing. Whale watching is popular in Moreton Bay from June to September. The best accommodations. Hyatt Regency Brisbane. This 5-star hotel is located adjacent to the Queen Street Mall in Brisbane's Central Business District. Hyatt Regency Brisbane is a haven of relaxation for the business or leisure traveler. The hotel features 292 guest rooms, dining experiences, flexible meeting space, plus a heated rooftop infinity pool with restaurant and bar. Hyatt Regency Brisbane is the perfect hotel for your next leisure or business trip. Modern decor and deluxe amenities make each stay extraordinary, including bathrooms with walk-in showers and comfortable workstation. Enjoy stunning views of the Central Business District and the Brisbane River from the comforts of your spacious guest room. All guests can enjoy the modern convenience of complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi during your stay. The Lenin's Restaurant and Bar is open daily for breakfast and all-day dining, with a focus on comfort food using seasonal ingredients from local producers. The bar features a great selection of local and international beer and Australian wines. Meanwhile, the Hibiscus Room is Brisbane's new go-to for cocktails, celebrating Queensland's vibrant lifestyle with a playful sense of nostalgia, classic Aussie fare, and a grand old time. The Westin Brisbane. Refreshingly unique, the Westin Brisbane has been thoughtfully designed to celebrate Brisbane's laid-back sophistication. Located in the center of the city near popular attractions including the Botanic Gardens, Queen Street Mall, Suncorp Stadium, and Treasury Casino. The hotel features contemporary rooms and suites impeccably designed with a Westin Heavenly bed, city views, and floor-to-ceiling windows. These spacious suites and club-level rooms offers access to the Westin Club, complete with complimentary breakfasts, evening drinks, and canopies. A 5-star hotel experience awaits you at the Westin Brisbane. Recharge with an enriching spa ritual at Australia's only Heavenly Spa by Westin. Move well with the Westin Workout Fitness Studio, and relax at the Nautilus Pool complete with a swim-up bar. For those planning a special event or meeting in Brisbane, take advantage of a range of indoor and outdoor spaces with bespoke services. Eat well at the Charles, the hotel's aviation-inspired jazz bar, serving a curated menu. Sofitel Brisbane Central. Sofitel Brisbane Central's luxurious interiors, combined with its renowned personalized service, provide a level of comfort and sophistication you won't find at other 5-star hotels in Brisbane. Savor the exceptional views from one of the best luxury hotels in Brisbane City, overlooking the iconic Anzac Square and city's exquisite skyline, as well as the famed Sunshine Coast hinterland. Indulge in the culinary delights of Suzette, offering international and refined French-inspired dining. Revitalize your body, mind, and spirit at Stephanie's Spa for the finest luxury spa facilities and experience in Brisbane. Sofitel Brisbane Central is also home to the largest 5-star meeting facility in the city, with 11 conference rooms accommodating up to 1,100 people. On level 30, you'll find Club Millésime, The hotel's exclusive executive lounge where a refined experience awaits, including evening canopies and drinks while enjoying panoramic views of Brisbane. Lounge by the rooftop swimming pool, enjoy fine dining delivered straight to your suite, conduct business as normal with free Wi-Fi, or ground your body and mind at the hotel's state-of-the-art fitness center. The best restaurants. Takashiya. Takashiya is one of the best Asian restaurants for seafood enthusiasts or those looking for a taste of Japan. It offers a classic omakase experience with a modern twist. Chefs Takasi and Kazu lead a group of 12 guests through 16 courses of seasonal delicacies, featuring small plates, temaki sushi, and nigiri made with wonderful seafood from across the world and hot meals. Chef Takashi has worked in Japan for 8 years before migrating to Australia. He has now been working as a sushi chef for decades, and he has always been so passionate about presenting the best produce to his customers. Chef Takashi often visits the fish markets to select the freshest local seafood and sources ingredients which we rarely see in Australia from his trusted suppliers from Japan. Joy Restaurant. Imagine a chef's table, but without the surrounding restaurant. That's Joy. The Joy restaurant located on Bakery Lane has just 10 chairs, all of which watch the action in the kitchen. Joy is designed to be an intimate experience, but also to address the overheads that have put the squeeze on high-end diners in Brisbane. Without any managers or waiters or sommeliers or commissioned chefs to worry about, Baldwin cuts down on costs while not cutting into the experience. Joy's menu changes almost daily, but you might eat seared scallops with corn milk, sour pumpkin and kaffir lime, or fermented celeriac with venison tartare, roasted sesame and garlic. For drinks, the bartender preps paired cocktails and wines. The wine selection focuses on boutique Australian producers, the better to accompany Baldwin's lighter style of cooking. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Brisbane is from March to May, autumn in the southern hemisphere. Temperatures during this season hover between the high 50s and mid-80s, with little rainfall later in the season. But keep in mind that you will need to apply plenty of sunscreen. Brisbane sees an average of 8 hours of sun per day, thanks to its subtropical climate. The city's winter, June to August, and spring, September to November, are also popular times to visit, thanks to the mild temperatures and dry days. But these two seasons also see plenty of hotels booked solid, especially in September, during the month-long art celebration known as the Brisbane Festival. If you're planning to visit during the Arts Festival, arrange your accommodations well in advance. You'll find better airfare and hotel room deals during Brisbane's wet, humid season, which spans from December all the way to early March. Just note that the soggy weather might put a damper on your outdoor activities. That sums up our travel guide for your next adventure in the city of Brisbane. If you enjoyed the video and you want to watch more videos like this, show your support by hitting those like and subscribe buttons below. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any recommendations for future videos. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and stay tuned for more soon.